Should a roofing contractor still be getting on the roof to provide a physical inspection, or is a drone inspection suffice right now?
If I'm getting a roof replacement, a drone inspection is fine. I can see the amount of degranulation in the gutters. I can measure the roof. I can get pictures of everything I need for the file, for the production file. If it's for a roof leak, a drone isn't going to do anything. You still need to get in the attic. You still need to get on the roof.
What kind of pictures and documentation should a homeowner expect from a contractor who's coming to their home for an inspection?
Pictures of all of the overall roof structure, then close-ups of the shingle, the condition of the shingle, southern slope, northern slope. Mm-hmm. Southern slope always wears out first due to UV, right? That's the weakest link in the chain. And then all of the flashing details. Flashing details a flashing is around a chimney, around a skylight, along a wall. Mm-hmm. And flashings are the most leak-prone areas of the roof. So you need to look at all the flashing details.
Yeah, and I think as a homeowner, you shouldn't be afraid to ask for those pictures. If an individual is going to come out there and provide an inspection for you, then asking for that documentation of what they see, I want to be able to actually see it. I mean, I think that some homeowners, Mike, they feel like when a contractor comes out there, they start talking about these words like eaves and things. Roofing is not complicated. Show me where the leak is. Show me where the shingle is lifting. I think homeowners should really demand that of the contractor at their home.